Hello everyone. My name is Tejendra Patel, and today I want to talk about the adaptive AI enforcement, scalable real-time decision with transparent compliance. Static rule-based enforcement system can no longer keep the pace with the today's fast-evolving digital ecosystem. And in this session, I will walk you through the how the adaptive AI can change that. Let's start with the why static rule fail. They are rigid. Once they are written, attacker quickly adapt around them. They don't scale, and legacy system choke under the millions of events per second, and they create the many false positive, frustrating the user and overloading the appeal team. In short, the statics rule are brittle, and brittle doesn't scale. Adaptive AI offer a different path, while the real-time learning model involves the continuously without waiting for the full retraining cycle. Distributed streaming platform and microservice let us process the millions of events with a sub-millisecond latency while staying fault tolerance and stable. In production, this system can so they can handle the massive throughput without disruption. Now let's add the context. Adaptive system does not treat all the user or event at the same. They use the dynamic trust scoring, evaluating the user behavior over the time in a real time. They use the intelligent content analysis, flagging the malicious or risky material industry by comparing against the rich knowledge bases, and they track the temporal and behavior pattern, catching the subtle anomalies or coordinated attack that static rule would miss. This result is a smarter, fairer enforcement. Advanced detection technology. Of course, no single model is enough. That's why adapting the system rely on the advanced techniques. Assemble the detection, combine the multiple model to reach the consensus, improve the precision, and reducing the false positive. Graph-based modeling concept signal across the network to reveal the advertiser relationship, and the advertiser's resilience ensure that defense evolve as attacker probe and adapt. Together, this technique keep us a step ahead. But accuracy alone is not the enough. Enforcement must be transparent. Tool like a Shapey value and live provide extensibility, showing why a decision was made a feature by feature. This reduces the appeal time, simplify the audits, and build the user trust. Immutable logs and bias detection add the accountability to ensure that every action in the traceable and fair. Transparency is not about is add-on, is built in the system. Safe model deployment strategy. So now, how do we safely deploy these adaptive models? We start with a shadow testing, running a new model alongside a production to validate the result. Then A/B experiment, controlled rollout with the statistic checks. Finally, canary deployment, shifting the traffic gradually with automatic rollback if issue appear. Combined with immutable logging, this ensures the reliable self-evaluation of an enforcement system. Key takeaway. So what are the takeaway? First, real-time learning model that adopt without without service disruption. Second, contextual intelligence, decisions shaped by the user trust, context risk, and temporal pattern. And third, a transparent operation, explainable and auditable outcome that support the compliance and trust. Thank you. So in the end, the adaptive AI enforcement is all about involving the threat rather than chasing after them, protecting the platform at the scale while preserving the fairness and user confidence. Thank you for your listening.